Right. Hi guys, it's me again. I think it's been a minute since I last uploaded a video on YouTube, and that's because life has been happening in a good way, actually, in a really good way. In the last few months since my last video was posted, my family, we have welcomed a baby girl. So I'm a proud father. I'm the dad of a wonderful, beautiful baby girl. And in that time as well, a few other things have happened. First of all, I want to thank over 6,000 of you who have stuck with me on this channel over the years of me yapping about nursing and talking nursing stuff. Thank you. But as it stands now, my time in nursing is coming to an end. I'm still a nurse. I haven't left nursing yet, but the clock is ticking. And I have other things that are of interest to me now at this stage of my life. So essentially, it also means that the type of content I will be pushing out going forward might not be fully nursing stuff. I do understand that a lot of you who joined this channel are probably settled now in the UK, and perhaps the reason you joined, you have all the information that you need now. However, I think that what I'll be putting out going forward will be things that will benefit everybody. And because it won't just be nursing stuff or things around nursing, you might want to stick around still. I will be reaching out to a wider audience that is not just nurses and healthcare professionals. So I personally am building something important. As I said, it's something of interest to me, and I like to share my journey and talk about my life and my personal brand in general. So this is my way of saying thank you for sticking around on this channel. I hope that you stay around for more content. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Thank you.